Hello everyone, welcome along. Today now we're going to be rebuilding the set of forks for this Goldwing that we need to rebuild. Now we're rebuilding, these have progressive suspensions in them, the telescopic type. What we're doing now is reassembling everything. Now the first thing we do is I'm going to be changing the bushings. That's more of a habit of mine than a necessity. Anytime I kind of take the forks apart, I have a habit of changing the bushings, even if they don't need it. They don't cost that much. So for the sake of it. And the top one. Them out of the way, that we don't use them by mistake. We'll do these ones. So we'll install the leg. Now we are using Honda seals. I've often used all balls, never really had an issue with them. But again, it's a preference. It'd be handy if you drive to a proper drive tool so you won't damage the forks. And what I use then is an old seal that I've cut in half. It'll be easy to get it back out afterwards. Seal on, and finally don't forget this little bolt. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. So, left one done. Now we'll do the right hand. Same again, we've changed the bushings. Forgot to take off that one, you see. Now all that's left now is to top it up with oil. These open. That's the left. These. Right, they're a bit stiff, or a bit loose. It's difficult to do it off the bike, so we put the forks back onto the bike, then we top up with oil then after that. Because they're the progressive cartridges, they take less oil than your Honda ones, so it's only 200 milliliters in the right and 330 to the left. So that's the forks now assembled and ready to go onto the bike. So that's goodbye from Paul for now.